When users log in through your dedicated Breakroom desktop app, there are no additional access fees above the cost of their seat. WorldStream access, on the other hand, must be purchased on a per-user per-time basis using a digital currency known as World Credits. World owners and World admins can purchase, track, and manage World Credits at any time using the dashboard. To purchase World Credits, go to your dashboard and click the Add Credits button. In the pop-up that appears, enter the number of World Credits you would like to purchase. Please note that World Credits must be purchased in increments of 1,000 credits. Click the Next button and complete your payment information. Click the Confirm button to finalize your purchase. The World Credit Balance widget on the dashboard landing page allows you to quickly check your World Credit balance and most recent account activity. If you need additional World Credits fast, the Add Credits link is also available. Alternatively, you can access a detailed breakdown of your World Credit purchases, refunds, and analytics by clicking the World Credits tab on your dashboard. In addition to information about your World Credit transactions, the World Credits tab contains a number of important tools. The World Credit Balance panel displays your current World Credit balance, as well as your current month purchases and expenditures. The Add Credits link allows you to purchase additional World Credits. The World Credit Analytics panel generates a quick World Credit purchase, expenditure, and availability breakdown based on your selected time frame. The Transaction History panel provides a detailed, itemized list of your World Credit transactions and usage. The Transaction History search field allows you to search for a particular transaction. The Transaction History date pickers allow you to narrow the transaction history down to a specific date range. The Download CSV link downloads a CSV file containing all transactions for the date period selected. You can download your World Credit transaction history by going to the World Credits tab and scrolling down to the Transaction History panel. Then use the search field or the date pickers to filter the transactions list, if necessary. Click the Download CSV link to download a spreadsheet containing your selected transaction data. WorldStream access and activity can also be tracked here by entering the term Usage into the search field and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Usernames are identified in the Items column. To limit the amount of World Credits that can be purchased on your Breakroom account each month, scroll to the My Balance panel. You will see your current monthly purchase limit listed here. To change the monthly limit, click the pencil icon. A pop-up will appear. Enter the new purchase limit in the field and click the Save button. To help you get the most out of your World Credits, there are 3 types of usage limits you can impose. Maximum session time per user, which sets a cap on how much time an individual user can spend in a single WorldStream session. Monthly usage quota per user, which sets a cap on how much time an individual user can spend in WorldStream per month. Monthly usage quota for World, which limits how many minutes all of your users can collectively spend in WorldStream each month. To enable any of these usage limits, click the Edit link located to the right of the usage cap name. Enter your preferred number of minutes or click the Unlimited button. Click the Save button when you are finished. That concludes our training for today. We hope you found it useful. Take care.